If we love it, we list it. The Studio 5 Love List is an ongoing curation of items we need to girlfriend gush over. And today is a holiday gush. When it comes to Christmas, we love a pretty wrapping job. There's something about a gift wrapped up with love. Ribbons, bows, and gift tags make a present feel special. And this next find takes the guesswork out of the pretty part. Local company The Merry Market makes picking your paper easy. They've curated these gorgeous wrapping kits. You pick from a variety of cohesive wrapping papers, ribbons, and tags for a stunning combo of Christmas joy. And the quality is unmatched when it comes to these kits. They feel as good as they look. We picked the bows wrapping collection, of course, but the selections are all stunning and play to all Christmas styles, from classic to modern. So with everything you need in one box, we knew it was an easy add to our Studio 5 Love List. They have gifted us a code for Studio 5 viewers, so you can use the code KSL15 for 15% off your order. Happy wrapping! Find a link plus that promo code on our website, studio5.ksl.com, and you can just search Love List in the search bar.